Getting ready to cook up some steaks here in a couple minutes. My wife has joined me, but she wants to remain off camera. But I guess I'll cook her up a steak anyway.
So he got me out here on this farm. I'm not like planning to actually stay out here. I'm just coming for dinner, but it's very beautiful. It really is.
Cheers, folks. Man, a little hot, but man, that is good. Good stuff.